Hello, everybody. I'm trying to help people solve some problems that they're having with their animated GIF program. Mine seems to be working pretty well, but we've noticed a couple of things that might have gone wrong for you. So we are going to show you those things right now. My sons are here in the room right now. You guys want to say hello?
Hello.
That was Miles. Here's Ryan.
Hello.
Okay, thanks. Okay, boys, we're gonna go back to reading, and I'm gonna show these guys what's up. So here we're gonna start with looking at your folder. So when you're in your program, what I want you to do is press Control K. That'll open up your Sketch folder. And if you don't see the extensions, there is a way to show them. One of the problems is that I put .png. When I downloaded my image, I got .png. A lot of people got .gif. So how do you know what you're supposed to do? Because one of the problems with Windows is that they've hidden the dot whatever it is from you, and I can show you how to show it. Miles also seems to know how to do it too. So here you go. What we're going to do is go click on the View menu. See how I'm in the folder here? I'm clicking on View. That will have all these new options, and what you want to do, I'll zoom in. I think I'll zoom in. Yeah, I did. You want to zoom into the top here. So check File Name Extensions. While you're at it, you might as well show hidden items, and that will maybe help you in the future as well. So once you check off that, you suddenly see the dot whatever it is, and then that whole file name you can grab. So I like to just click on a file and press F2. It didn't quite get all the way, so I press Control A to get the whole thing, and then Control C, and then I can paste it over here, and I can start comparing to make sure I got everything correct. And in fact, I think I would just hollow out this. So if you notice that your file extensions are not .png, you might notice they're .gif. So just make that change here. I don't know, they might be .jpeg for all I know or something. So just take a look and see what the extension should be. Okay, so that's like a big problem I think people are experiencing is that difference. Also notice that when I press Control K, all the pictures are in that folder and they're all separated. The zip file doesn't have to be here, but definitely you have to get them out of the zip file. So you should see your sketch and then each of the individual pictures, and then that should solve things. Well, it might solve. It'll solve if that was your problem. So definitely have your pictures placed there. Another problem that might be happening is you have to make sure, this I don't think is necessarily your problem, but somebody might be watching this video and it might be their problem. You might want to just double check that it is the right numbers that you're using here. So I know that my sketch has 15 pictures. I can tell because it starts at 0 and ends at 14, so that's 15 altogether. So I want to make sure I don't go above 14. 14 is the last number. And when I'm animating, I want to get all the way to the index number 14 because it starts at 0. So I have to make that change here. So these are some changes just to watch out for in case it's not working for you. I think that basically covers the main problems that I've seen students have so far. The .gif one's a big one, and checking the extensions is connected with that, and also just making sure the pictures are in your sketch folder, which you can get to from your sketch by pressing Control K. And of course, don't forget to make sure your numbers are the correct numbers, and hopefully that'll solve your problem. Okay, thanks everybody.